And then I
Hey.
that old one, the Sweetie, kind of portrait that everybody has.
Let's go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy.
But anyway, I'm just
Go
like,
crazy.
really excited.
Go crazy.
Plugging it in. I heard it.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't even know that's how
Growl.
But, anyway, I just got really excited.
Growl.
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 Hang out.
Growl.
When is Jenna coming out?
Growl. Shake it. Shake your money maker. Shake it. Yeah. We got a side roll. Bring it back. There we go. You're a good movie baby. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I was thinking we should do like a night or a meal, you know, for like in honor of everybody's birthday. So we'll just figure out how it works for y'all's schedule, and I'll just make sure to ask all for work. My work schedule doesn't go that far out yet, but I don't know. I don't remember what I asked for. But I'm sure
Can I get a smile? Can I get a little smile? Can I get a little smile? Yeah. Yeah.
cool.
Bye-bye. Show everyone how you can lift your head up. Ready?
They go all day.
Whoop. Whoop.
Actually answer.
Bye-bye.
And Mimi too. But Mimi didn't know.
One last kick for posterity.
They were like,
Yeah.
they stopped
Good job.
yesterday, and I'm like, oh,
See ya. See ya. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. I love you. I love you. I love you.